Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming this old, seemingly useless charger cable into a powerful, portable soldering iron. My charging cable connector is broken, so this charging cable no longer works. I'll start by cutting the connector end from the charger cable. Next, I'm going to strip off the outer insulation of the cable to reveal the inner wires. Using pliers, I cut off the blue wire, which is not needed in this project. Then I stripped off the outer insulation to expose the copper wire core inside. To get a clean and secure connection, I'm twisting the individual copper strands of both wires tightly. This prevents fraying and ensures good conductivity. Next up, I'm taking a spark plug. I'll use pliers to carefully remove the top metal cap. This part isn't needed for our design. I've got a standard AA battery. I'm going to use my pliers to carefully dismantle it. After completely removing the shell, I will use a box cutter to cleanly remove the plastic layer on the battery. The goal here is to extract the carbon rod from the center. Then, I use pliers to carefully remove the metal positive terminal cap from the top of the battery. Then pliers to gently pull out the carbon rod. With the carbon rod extracted, I'm cleaning it thoroughly with a paper towel. This ensures there's no residue that could interfere with our electrical conductivity. For a crucial step, shaping the carbon rod, I'm inserting it into my drill and using sandpaper to give it a fine pointed tip. This sharp point is key because it will allow for very precise heat concentration, making our tool effective. Once it's perfectly shaped, I'm inserting the carbon rod back into the spark plug. It needs to be a snug fit to ensure stability. I've got a PVC pipe here, and I'm using a hacksaw to cut it to serve as the main body of our tool. I'm aiming for a comfortable handheld size. The PVC will provide excellent insulation and a comfortable grip, making the tool easy and safe to use. After cutting, I'll clean the edges of the PVC pipe to ensure there are no rough spots. I'm inserting the spark plug element with the attached carbon rod into one end of the PVC pipe. It needs to fit snugly for stability. I'm positioning a small switch on the PVC pipe and marking its outline with a pen. This section will house our switch. Accurately marking it ensures the switch sits flush and operates smoothly. Using a hacksaw, I'm carefully cutting out the rectangular opening on the PVC pipe based on my markings. Then, using an angle grinder, I'm carefully cutting out the marked section on the PVC pipe. This slot is essential for integrating the switch into the handle, allowing us to control the heating element conveniently. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. With the opening prepared, I'm inserting the switch into place. It should fit snugly. This switch will control the power to our heating element. I will take a red insulated wire and strip one end to expose the copper wires. I will twist them to make a secure connection. I'm connecting one end of the red wire to the carbon rod so that the contact point is open on the spark plug. A good electrical connection is vital here. To ensure safety and prevent any short circuits, I'm using red electrical tape to insulate the connection points around the spark plug. This is a critical step to make our DIY tool safe to handle. I'm carefully feeding the wired spark plug into the PVC pipe. I'll make sure the red wire is positioned correctly inside. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm carefully dismantling the small white switch, exposing its terminals. I cut the red wire at the switch location in half to prepare the wire for connection. I stripped the insulation from both ends of the cut wire and twisted them neatly. I will connect one of the prepared red wires to one terminal and the other red wire to the other terminal of the switch. I'm tightening the screws firmly to ensure secure contact. This controls the power flow to our heating tool. I repeat connecting the remaining wires to the switch the same way as before and make sure the connections are secure. With the internal wiring mostly done, I'm carefully pressing it into its designated opening on the PVC pipe. It fits perfectly. To ensure everything stays put and is well insulated, I'm using a hot glue gun to seal the edges around the switch and secure any loose wires inside the PVC pipe. Safety and durability are key for any DIY tool. Now for our external connections. I took a blue wire and attached an alligator clip to one end. I use pliers to secure the wire securely. I'm integrating the laptop charger. I added a heat shrink to insulate the wire connection afterwards. I'm going to connect one of the stripped charging wires to the blue alligator clip we just made. This will be 1/2 of our power supply. After the wire is securely connected, I use a lighter to heat the wire connection to protect it. Next, I'm connecting the other strip wire from the charger adapter to the remaining red crocodile clip. Now our power adapter has both positive and negative clips ready to power our custom tool. And there you have it, our homemade electric soldering iron ready for action. I'm plugging the adapter into an extension cord. See how instantly it heats up? This little tool is surprisingly powerful. I used a small piece of wood to make a work table to prepare for welding. I will prepare some razor blades and place them on the wood. Watch closely as I press the switch. Incredible, right? You can see the tip instantly heating up. When I turn off the switch, my welder immediately stops working. Look at that. Clean, strong solder joints, just like a professional welding. This truly shows what you can achieve with a bit of ingenuity. This DIY electric soldering iron proves that with a little creativity, you can create amazing things from ordinary items. If you find the video interesting, please give me a like. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video.